What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? This is a little bit late on this video, I'll be honest with you guys, but I do want to post this, and there's a special reason I want to post this, so I'll explain that here in a little bit. Last weekend was an event that went on called Shut Down the City, and it's basically a motorcycle event, you know, meant for motorcyclists, obviously, sport bikes and Harleys and stuff, that you know, goes from Hooters in King of Prussia all the way to Pat's and Gino's Cheesesteaks in Philadelphia. So basically, the first time I did this ride was 3 years ago with my CBR 1000. I had my CBR 1000. I did this ride 3 years ago, and it was very, I'll be honest with you, it was an extremely stressful, mentally exhausting ride, because you have, I mean, you literally have 1,000 sport bike riders doing wheelies, you know, blocking traffic, going in between cars, on the shoulder. It's pretty crazy stuff. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty crazy stuff. But it's extremely exciting. It is a very, to be honest with you, it's an adrenaline rush. It really is an adrenaline rush. So, you know, for 3 years ago, I did this ride. Thing is, I went out there with a bunch of my friends. And we did the ride. We had a really, really awesome time. We had a great time 3 years ago doing that ride. And unfortunately, very sadly, of course, one of my friends died on the way back from that ride. It wasn't in the ride itself. It was just on the way back. We were riding back, and he accidentally wrecked his motorcycle, and he passed away that day. And so it kind of, I don't know how you say it, but it's kind of one of those things. I almost want to do it in his memory, to do this ride, just because he was there. That was the last time I ever saw this guy. He was a pretty cool dude, and you know, I actually made a video about it probably a year and a half ago, about the first time I went there, and actually the ride and all the footage that I had from it. I'll post that link up above here. You can go watch that footage as well. But basically, I have a lot more footage from this past year's event. I missed last year's event, but this year's event is past, I guess, is past this previous event. I do have footage of that, and I do want to share that with you guys. It's nothing too crazy, but it's something that I do want to share with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So here is some of the footage from Shut Down the City 2018 Philadelphia, guys. Go. Stay safe, Bob. Just fucking send it. Here we go. Try to shut down the city. Fucking ride. Hunter, I like your sombrero. Some fucking titties.
That's Special City from the Hooters girl.
What's that? Fuck yeah. Oh, there we go. No, lost the hat. Oh, I found him. Look at that. Oh, you guys are all parked right here. Lane, you're gay. It's still recording too. Fucking dick. Got my camera. I don't have any cash on me, sorry, man. Well, you give him a hat for a candy bar? No. Oh, that's messed up. That's a good trade.
This is especially from Hooters. Oh, nice one.
That's from Hooters. That's a good trade. A candy bar?
Yeah, it did. Girl with a big booty and big boobies. Oh man, it's all right.
So you're not gonna trade him a candy bar
there
for a
someday,
sombrero?
Young man, you'll be chasing them down someday. Right there.
I know. That was a great life. That was a great fucking deal, man. Hey, you're gonna get by the bus. You might want to move. What the fuck? Like fucking squeeze. Oh shit! I got that on video! I got it on video! She's angry. What the fuck? Guys, there you have it. That's pretty much, you know, what the ride is about. I'm sure a lot of you guys out there probably have some interesting comments about how the ride went and what you've seen. But you know, if there's one thing I can be very, very honest about is, you know, bike life, riding a motorcycle, riding a sport bike is something that's in your blood, man. It's not like car life. You know, the one thing I've noticed about cars and people that own cars, you know, say for example you go to you know, a car meet somewhere and you have the Volkswagen guys over in one corner, you have the Honda guys over in another corner, you have the GM guys in one corner, and you have the Ford guys in another corner, and most of the time them guys don't talk to you. They don't talk to each other. They kind of just stay in their own little group, and that's pretty much about it, unfortunately. But if there's one thing I can say about the motorcycle community in general, is the motorcycle community, they stick together, guys. I can't tell you the numerous amounts of times that I've been on the side of the road, not out of gas, not having an issue, not having a problem, and a Harley guy or an Enduro guy or a I don't know, a Supermoto guy stops and looks at me and says, hey, are you okay? Gives me a thumbs up. Are you okay? Unfortunately, you won't find that from the car community. It's very rare that you know, if you see a Trans Am sitting on the side of the road, a Ford Mustang is not going to pull up on that Trans Am and be like, hey man, are you okay? Is everything okay with your car? How's life going? Wow, it's a nice ride. It doesn't happen like that with cars. Bike life is a very, very tight-knit group of people, to be honest with you. and I'm extremely proud to be a part of that. And that's why, you know, that's why I love riding motorcycle. That's why I love being a part of that that scene. Even though we do ride crazy sometimes, we do dumb shit sometimes, it doesn't matter. You know, it's the brotherhood that we have with the other motorcyclists and stuff, other sport bike riders and Harley riders and enduros and supermotos and even Grom riders. You know, it's crazy how it all works out, but it's that brotherhood that we all have together, and that's pretty cool, guys, to be honest. It really is. But hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.